If I had $1 for every time someone asked me how I managed to wake up so early to work out, let me tell you something. Your girl would be rich, okay? So today's topic is really going to be for anyone who wants to become a 4 a.m., 5 a.m. gym goer, but isn't quite sure where to start. As someone who's been consistently hitting the gym around 4:30 a.m., I thought I would share some tips that have helped me make this early morning routine a habit so that you can as well. Before we get into the tips though, I really feel the need to emphasize this, okay? Getting up at 4 a.m. is no joke. It takes some serious discipline and commitment. So if you already know you have some circumstances in your life that are going to prevent you from making this lifestyle change, then I wouldn't stress it. Continue to work out when you can and get in where you fit in. So now that's out of the way, let's go ahead and get into my first tip. And this is actually going to be my number one, like my cup, my number one piece of advice, and that is having a consistent sleep schedule. Studies show that most people need around 7 to 8 hours of sleep for optimal health. And from my personal experience, that is 100% true. If I ever find myself running off of about 4 to 5 hours of sleep, I can promise you I am barely functioning, fueled by tons of caffeine, and I am still struggling to stay awake. And that's not to say it isn't doable, because it is, but for me it just isn't sustainable. Now I aim to be in bed by around 9 p.m. on a work night so that I can get enough rest and I can wake up feeling refreshed. Now we all know that sleep isn't just about feeling good the next day, but it can affect your mood, your focus, and your long-term health. Chronic sleep deprivation can cause weight gain, heart issues, and it can even cause depression. And I know it's going to be tough for those of you who have busy schedules. It was tough even for me in the beginning, but prioritizing sleep really is key. So really try to set a consistent bedtime and maybe even try to come up with some sort of relaxing nighttime routine that allows you to wind down. Getting a good night's rest really makes a huge difference in your mind, body, and your overall well-being. So me and my coworkers were actually having a conversation about this exact same topic the other day. They were asking me how I get up at 4 and get to the gym at 4:30, no later than 4:45. Does it help that the gym is close to my house? Yes, yes it does. But that's really only part of it. I like to prepare myself for the day the night before. That means laying out my clothes, getting my gym bag, my book bag, my shoes, making sure that my keys and my wallet are in its rightful place so that when I wake up in the morning, I am not wasting time searching for what I need. When you're prepared, it sets the tone for the whole day and you are starting your day with intention. By having everything ready the night before, I am able to focus on what really matters, like crushing my workout and having a sense of accomplishment before most people are even awake. But it's also not just about the gym, it's about creating habits that set you up for success. When that alarm goes off in the morning, I have no doubt about it, I know we all feel the exact same way. Just because I get up at 4 o'clock in the morning does not make me immune to an alarm, okay? But by the way, little tip here, your alarm in the morning should really be something that is melodic, you guys. Something that's melodic and something that gradually gets louder. That way you are not jolted awake in shock, and that way you are less likely to feel groggy and cranky, because I know y'all be cranky in the morning. But when my alarm goes off in the morning, I will count down from 3. I will toss the covers off of me and I will swing my legs over the bed. My body language right now is exactly how I feel in the morning, but this is what I do. That way I have the momentum that I need to get up. If I need to take a moment, I will still take a moment, but I don't hit snooze and I really have no hesitation about getting up because I've already done all of this. I might as well get up anyway. Like I said, it still feels hard at times, but I usually manage to get things done. If you made it this far in the video, shout out to you. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Matter of fact, leave me a Christmas tree emoji down in the comments below if you made it this far. But like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, and like I emphasize, getting to the gym early mornings really takes some serious discipline and commitment. And it honestly has to really complement your lifestyle. Like, you have to have a reason for getting up early in the morning to go to the gym. What is your specific reason? And let me give you an example. Now, I work out early in the morning because I still have a 9-to-5. And I know that by the end of my workday, by the end of my 9-to-5, I am going to be completely drained enough to the point where I will not be able to give my workout 100%. And that's just me being honest. Not only that, but I just don't like evening workouts. I don't like the fact that the gym is crowded around 6 p.m. going on. I don't like it, so I'll avoid it. And honestly, working out in the evenings, it messes with my sleep schedule. I have like so much energy after I work out in the evening, so I just don't do that. But that's what I mean by having a purpose and having a reason as to why you're waking up early in the morning, in spite of the fact that everybody's trying to become a 4 a.m., 5 a.m. gym girly, in spite of the fact that it's aesthetic, in spite of all of that. Don't just start working out in the mornings because everybody else is doing it. I guarantee you it's not gonna last. It's still a struggle for me to this day. So there you have it, everyone. Some tips from me to you on how to become a early morning 4 a.m., 5 a.m., or even 6 a.m. gym goer. Hopefully the tips in this video really help make your transition easier. It's still going to take time, but hopefully it helps a little bit. All right, you guys, if you did like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And you know, like I always say, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell to be notified when I upload. And I will catch you in the next one. Bye.